Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI, and I'm here to tell you guys why my husband loves his new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 case from SUPCASE. First off, he loves that rugged, manly look. So it is bigger or bulkier than your average cases, but he actually says that it's easier to grip and has that nice ergonomic feel. He especially loves the hidden S Pen slot inside the hinge portion of the case, which holds your pen nice and tight inside the holder, so there's no fear of losing it. In order to take the pen out, you just simply push on the back opening right here, and it will pop the pen right out. And the kickstand feature has been very handy. It allows you to position your phone 4 different ways to make browsing an ease. We also really like the raised edge around the camera lens to help protect the lens when you set your phone down. And this fingerprint scanner portion of the case has a nice curved indentation, which allows your thumb to be positioned perfectly, and it feels very natural when you're holding your phone. This case comes in 4 different colors, and we chose the black because, let's face it, you can't go wrong with black. And it was really easy to install, and we love that it has a full front to back protection, including a built-in screen protector. And to take it one step further, SUPCASE also has a belt clip holster to keep your phone in. So now you can have twice the protection. I've actually been using the SUPCASE for my iPhone for the past 3 years, and I can attest that they are well-made cases. I have dropped my iPhone so many times. So the moment my husband got a new phone, we knew we had to get a case from SUPCASE because these are cases that we can trust. From phones to watches to tablets, SUPCASE has all our protective needs covered. And that's our point of view.